So yesterday I posted on Instagram just a picture of me doing career day at the kids' school, and everyone wanted to see the PowerPoint, which I think is funny. So I'm going to show you, it's just a quick one just now, and hopefully I don't run out of battery, so I'll do it kind of fast. So I looked this up from a couple different news articles, and 75% of kids say they want to be a YouTuber when they grow up, and I asked the kids, so I did career day for kindergartners and third graders, and I had them raise their hand if they want to be a YouTuber. I say at least 85 to 90% said yes, which is crazy, but it's a fun job, so I get it. So I talk about my story of YouTube. So I started almost 7 years ago, and I was one of the first toy channels. I called it, my battery died, so let me continue here. I charged it, so we should be good. Anyway, so I was saying, oh, I looked this up. I looked this up on Social Blade. Granted, these could be accounts of like people who haven't posted much in the way of videos, but there's 25 billion YouTubers right now, YouTube channels or accounts. And then in 2015, I was the third largest YouTube channel. So it was PewDiePie, then Disney Collector BR, and then me. And then my most viewed video is 150 or 185 million views, which is crazy. It's a balloon pop video. And then before YouTube, I worked in corporate finance. So I had a had a real mathy job before this. And so pictures though, which is really cute. Here's Alex lining up his cars. And this is kind of what started me with YouTube, is like just his love for cars and my love for cars. This is when I got my silver play button, and I swear I worked so hard for that. And that's like a little Barbie set that I made that I was filming like a Disney princess video. Here's Ava just kind of at our filming table, just kind of playing. And she used to knock over our lights all the time. And then here's our cars collection. So let's go over here. So I kind of started with, for the presentation, oops, maybe can I go that? There we go. Like some really happy, good things about YouTube. So I have me, oh, oopsie. Let's go back. Let's see, there we go. So I have my cutie car at Moose Toys, and then I have me donating toys. So I like collect toys all year, put in a storage unit, and then I collect and I donate them. Not collect, I donate them at Christmas time. Here's Alex and I in Australia. Here's the first time I went to Toy Fair, and I made a video for Just Play of me with Take Care of Me Lambing. It's honestly one of my favorite videos. And then here's our house with tons of boxes. We got like tons of boxes from Mattel once, so that's really awesome. This is when we signed with Maker Studios, and we went to a really cool Disney event and got to meet Mickey Mouse. This is a Moose Mates like event that we did with Moose Toys, which was super fun. Went to Hawaii. It was like one of the best. And here's a meet and greet I did with Cookie Swirl. And then here's a red carpet event that Alex and I and Mike, we got to see Cars 3, the movie premiere. So with like all the Disney people. And he's super nice. He's from the Jessie TV show. Let's see, and we'll go to the next slide. There we go. Okay, so this is when we did that Disney red carpet. This is the Mattel Headquarters, which is super fun. They have this like huge Hot Wheels track. We filmed this at BJ's Wholesale Club with Just Play and some other like toy sponsors. Here's the YouTube headquarters. Here's like a Pygmy Pop meet and greet kind of thing. Cutie car, Toy Fair. Here's a cutie car design with Moose. Toy Fair with a PJ Masks, really awesome. Really cool stuff that I've gotten in the mail. So this is from Moose, and then we did like a birthday party at Build-A-Bear. So tons of super fun, happy stuff that we've done with YouTube. All right, so here's the like less fun part of YouTube that I thought I'd show the kids. So, you know, how to become a YouTuber, and the main thing, work. So I've seen tons of articles, especially like early days of YouTube, saying like, all you need is a camera and woo, you're a YouTuber. But no, you gotta work a lot. So I say that, you know, it's a lot more work than it looks like. And when I first started and was building out my channel, and up until like baby Adam was born, I was working at least 80 hours a week. So I would like work while the kids are in school, come home, do the kids stuff, and then once I went to bed, I'd work till like 3, 4 in the morning. So here's that picture of like me editing and voiceovers, and like fell asleep with 4 different computers because I'd put like one video on and then another and then another, and like just work. So and you have to know like cameras, you have to know lighting, you have to know editing, you have to know how to do a good cover picture, and YouTube itself, like know the algorithm and the SEO behind like your title, your tags, your description, and everything else. And you have to be unique. You have to be unique and exciting. So like a good actress, like there's a lot more to it than people might think. This is kind of an interesting slide on how to make a YouTube video. I'll explain the pictures first. So here's me doing a voiceover when baby Adam was like only a couple weeks old, and you know, I was holding him and then like holding the microphone with the other hand and doing voiceovers. So when you're a YouTube mom, you're always kind of working with your kids, even if they're not working. He's just kind of hanging out there with me. And then here's Mike filming a video and the kids are just watching him, which is pretty cool. So how to make a YouTube video. So I try to like break down the time, and I'd say like an average video of like what I would make, it takes about 6 to 13 hours. Sometimes I am faster at it, so maybe sometimes 5 hours, but like if you're brand new at making videos, it's gonna be 13 or more hours. So you have to create the video, so you have to come up with an idea. That takes maybe a half hour if you're doing some research on it. Purchase props, set up the props, set up your set. That takes like at least an hour. Film the video, edit the video, make the cover picture, upload the video, and then type up the description in YouTube. So you guys don't see that, but we have to have a title, you have to have that paragraph description. You need tags, which you guys don't totally see, but it's like keywords. And then you have to optimize your video, so you have to put in playlists, put it on your home screen, your community screen, other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook. So it all takes time, and like even though it's broken up, like you might film and then play with the kids for a while and get back to editing, you know, it does take a lot of time. And then another one, I just did this for the kids because I think it's important for kids to know that everything you see on YouTube isn't exactly real. And so I'm calling myself out here. So any of the 24-hour challenges, I've never known a YouTuber to actually do something for 24 hours. We all do it for like 3 hours or something and then we're done. And then like the treasure hunting, I've never known anyone who's actually found real treasure. It's all fake, you know, like buying expensive things, or like the 3 a.m. challenge. No one ever films at 3 a.m. You just film at 9 p.m. once it's dark. So, you know, I mean, no one's gonna wake up their kids at 3 a.m. and make them film. I mean, unless you're crazy, I don't know. Hopefully people aren't doing that. And then here, I think this is really important for anyone with social media, is like, for me, I'm posting 10 minutes and I'll film myself here. So I'm filming something for 10 minutes a day. So like that 10 minutes is really exciting, really happy, like super fun. But then I go back and I sit at the computer and I edit, or I make a picture, or I clean the house, or I'm, you know, like doing carpool duty or something. You know, like it's not always fun. And I think people see, like, they only see you in that little snippet of fun. So they think you must be having fun every second of the day, but you're really not having fun every second of the day. It just kind of looks that way. So like if you do YouTube, you're not gonna be having fun every second. And there's definitely fun times, but it's kind of like any other job. There's a lot of not fun things. And then just with like YouTube and like Hollywood, anything you see on TV, you can do a lot of different camera tricks and make things seem real when they're not. So like, I guess just kind of question things you see online and on TV, because sometimes it's really just not real. And yeah, I just said it's not always exciting. Let's see. And then the last slide that I did for the kids is just the future of YouTube. So when I was a kid, the internet wasn't really around. When I was in college, YouTube was a career option. So most likely a job you will have when you're older is something that might not exist right now. So YouTube, it might not be a job in 10, 15 years when these kids are out of college, but there'll be something else fun. So don't worry about that. And maybe YouTube will be around that you can make money enough for it to be a job. So it just kind of depends. If you want to have a YouTube channel, you just got to be unique, stand out, and then also just for kids, always make sure you're safe online. So that's pretty much my career day presentation. It took a while. I spent a lot more time on it, just kind of digging up pictures and stuff like that. And actually this background looks pretty cool with all the toys in the back. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Look! What is glittery?
What's over here?
What is glittery here?
A star?
Star? I can't hold.
Look at all your buzzes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 buzzes? You got more? So you did this all on your own, buddy. Oh, way over there, stretching it out. Yeah. Do we have any more buzzes? How about the buzz car? Should we put the buzz car? See that one?
But this buzzes.
Just buzzes, like buzz. Because that's a good buzz. Here, wait, let me move. Oops. Let me move.
I know.
Oops, here we go.
What about this buzz? This buzz. Yeah.